it's Emily, the teen librarian again. I hope everyone is having fun with the summer reading challenge this year, reading a lot of animal-themed books for Tales and Tales, and doing a lot of animal-themed crafts, which we are going to do again in this video. And I am wearing one of my favorite animal-themed t-shirts again. Today, we are going to be making a highly beloved and highly memed item from Animal Crossing's New Horizon. It is in your June Teen Summer Reading Packet. It is the Froggy chair. Okay, this Froggy chair craft is in the very back of your June Teen Summer Reading Packet. So head to the back, and you'll see our pieces here. We're actually going to rip off this page and cut out these pieces. So you will need scissors. I've already pre-cut my pieces. Let me grab those. Okay, so we've got the base of the chair, the back, the legs, and this is the side of the base. So let's start with that. I will roll it up just a little for it to keep its shape. It's going to go around the base of the chair. So it needs to be not too curly, but it needs to be able to bend easily. I would advise you to cut a little bit of white and then glue those pieces together, because I'm just now realizing that it's not gonna work. So hold on. Okay, I'm back, and I have cut a much longer green strip. As you can see, I even had to tape some pieces to the sides to make it long enough to fit this chair. So now I'm going to tape these two ends together. Okay, that's about right. Right? I guess. So take more tape and tape the base to the inside of your loop. Make the edge of the circle line up with the edge of the base of your chair. Tape is going on the inside tab like that. So there's our base of our chair. It's nice and fluffy, just like a chair should be. Next step, roll your back of the chair a little bit so it's curved, like so. Then find the place on your chair base that doesn't have any green, and we're just going to tape over that. Cute. Okay. Now the last step is the legs. So we're gonna flip her upside down, and two legs go right here in the front. We're gonna tape them to the inside of that ring, and then two legs go right next to the tabs of the back of the chair. You can use the legs to bring the base of the chair together with that little ring that seems to be so difficult for me. Oh no! Okay, I taped one backwards. There you go. God, I love it. It is so Cute! It ain't perfect, but hopefully this video helps you figure out how to make your own little froggy chair. And I hope you enjoyed this craft, and come back next week for another great animal-themed summer reading craft. Bye!